Now we're going to turn to the COVID-19 situation here in South Korea. The country forecasting around another 3,000 new COVID-19 cases on this Tuesday.
This comes as authorities are preparing to announce new social distancing measures for this week. For more on this and other updates, our Choi Min-jung is here in the studio with us. Good morning, Min-jung.
Good morning.
Tell us what we're expecting for today.
Mok-yeon, we're expecting the daily tally for today to surpass the 3,000 mark once again. From midnight to 9 p.m. on Monday, South Korea reported around 2,700 cases. This is a drop of more than 800 cases from the same time 2 weeks ago. Although the country continues to see a gradual decline in the number of infections, authorities say it is not the time to let our guards down due to the spread of the Omicron variant. Over the past week, Omicron infections increased by a little more than 1,000 cases. As of Monday, the country reported a total of 2,351 Omicron cases. Health authorities are saying that the variant will become the most dominant strain within this month, and to prepare for a potential surge in cases, authorities are planning to increase the number of PCR tests that can be taken in a day from the current 750,000 to 850,000. And they're also considering conducting PCR tests by prioritizing groups such as the elderly, workers at nursing homes, and people who are at higher risk of becoming severely ill.
And from Monday, the vaccine pass system was expanded to include department stores and large supermarkets. What was the reaction from the public on the first day?
Right, like you said, Monday was the first day of vaccine passes being implemented in department stores as well as large supermarkets, and there was inevitable confusion at some sites. Some people were not aware of the new measures, while others found it difficult to use the mobile app to show proof of vaccination.
People are really confused. There are delays as some elderly find it difficult to utilize QR codes.
There were those who thought that the passes are needed to curb the spread of the virus, while there were also those who were against the idea.
I think it's a measure that can stabilize the current resurgence. I don't think it's too much.
Some people can't get vaccinated because of fear over vaccine side effects or health issues. It will affect their daily lives if they can't go to supermarkets.
With the ongoing controversy surrounding the vaccine pass policy, there have also been talks on whether unvaccinated people should get treated for COVID-19 at their own expense, like in some overseas countries. But the government on Monday clarified that they are not considering this approach, as it may appear as a form of discrimination against those who aren't vaccinated.
Well, that sounds like some good news for people who haven't been vaccinated yet. But Min-jung, amid the government's efforts to contain the spread of the virus, there are indicators that the virus situation in South Korea is slightly improving.
Right. The authorities on Monday bumped down the country's weekly virus risk level to medium for the first time in 7 weeks. This is down by 2 notches as the country remained at the very high risk level for 6 consecutive weeks. By region, the capital area was at medium risk last week, while regions outside the Greater Seoul area were at low risk. Although indicators are showing that the country is recovering slowly, health authorities are on high alert with the spread of Omicron, as I mentioned earlier, and also due to the upcoming Korean Lunar New Year holiday, Seollal.
Right, both of those things are important considerations when it comes to social distancing measures. I'm talking about Lunar New Year here and Omicron. I hear there are some updates in that regard as well.
Right. Authorities will be announcing new social distancing measures sometime this week, and they're expected to ease the current distancing rules. Currently, social gatherings are limited to a maximum of 4 people, and most businesses must close at 9 p.m. The new measures will be implemented next Monday, as the current measures will only last until this week. Watchers are expecting officials to ease the current distancing rules as daily infections declined in recent days amid the country's booster vaccination drive and vaccine pass mandates. Officials stress that it is important to ease measures for social distancing first rather than vaccine passes because it has a greater economic impact on society. But like you said, authorities are still cautious as they are bracing for an uptick in cases with the spread of Omicron and the upcoming holiday.
So let's wait and see what the new measures would be. Anyway, thank you, Min-jung, for your updates. We'll talk to you again soon.
Thank you.